Friends, this is iPhone 7 Plus clone, and I start with testing the fingerprint. So just test it, and it opens. Friends, 5 times out of 10 tries, this fingerprint works. And however, being a clone, we cannot expect that this fingerprint will work like the original one. Therefore, this fingerprint, like this time, this is not working. Therefore, in most of the time, we have to try 2 or 3 times, then it works. Then friends, this phone has provided in this, it is actually customized on Android, and this phone has provided 3D touch. So like this, if I touch, then it speaks like the create new contact. And suppose if I touch on this app is this music, then it creates a 3D touch effect, like if we have played some song earlier, then it shows the list. And suppose if we touch here, then the same effect there, and the same effect is there in camera. Suppose if we start camera, then it says that what we want to do. And like the camera quality is very below average, I'll say, because the camera quality of iPhone is very good, and this is a camera quality which is not even competing with a very average 2-3 thousand types of phone, and it is VGA quality. Therefore, camera quality is very bad. Then friends, if we go here, then the same iPhone type of activity bar is there, and this is weather, and I have tried to change it, but it is not I am not able to change. Like we can set weather as per our wish, and however, by default the weather is taking some city of Chennai. So in case if we want weather of our city, then we have to add it. Same is the case with the stock, like in this like iPhone, they have also given this stock items, but you cannot change these stock items, and these are not live, these are just for show. One more problem is there, like if we go directly to mail from here. However, I have configured my mail in this device, but it always take me to this type of menu. If you want to see the mail, you have to pull it down, and will have to pick the notification from here, then the mail will open like this. Next, App Store. So App Store is provided like this, and we cannot install any of app from this store. Like WhatsApp you cannot run on this, Facebook you cannot run on this, Instagram you cannot run on this. So whatever apps have been provided in this phone, you have to remain with these apps only. Like also, the normal user is not able to install Google Play service. Therefore, this browser which has been given in the name of Safari, you have to browse things by this only, which is not very good, and you are unable to browse most of the things. Let us test Siri in this phone. So I just press this home button, and we'll see that whether Siri comes or not. So here it comes. Here it comes like this: Hey Siri, Hey Siri, Hey Siri, Hey Siri. So this Siri is not working, only for show it has been given. Apple Watch is also given in this, and if we press Apple Watch, then it starts like this. Since I am not having Apple Watch, therefore I have not tried for this, but I believe that it will not work. Then this is health, in which you have to feed up your entire data. I have not entered it, but I am not sure that it will work or not. Then is friends, FaceTime. So if we press FaceTime, then it opens up the camera, and nothing happens. So FaceTime, you cannot call anyone, and FaceTime is not working. Then is friends, this maps. So if we go on the maps, then this, which map is this, I am unable to understand, and we cannot install Google Map on it because it is not available on Play Store. And since gyroscope sensor is not there, therefore it does not pick up your location, and it always shows the some location of US. So overall, this phone I do not recommend from any of the angle that you should buy it, because it is not useful for day-to-day usage. It is just for fun and just for show that you are having an iPhone. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.